Hello, good evening, everybody. Let me do something. This is coming from the. Hi, good evening, everybody, and we are back with our season two and day three for our show. And as we get a more check, I can't hear my voice again, my son, and it's a very special because his name is very special, Mr. Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan is here, and we all are waiting for Mr. Bachchan. Hi, Mr. Bachchan. Can we find you here? Excuse me, Mr. Bachchan. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm
Vinod
good.
Bachchan. You know,
Yeah.
your name is so special in India,
Yeah,
right?
I have a lot of combinations of English meets Hindi meets Bollywood celebrity stars name in
Yes,
my
yes,
name.
yes. And Bachchan is very special to Indians, very special to Indians. So you having that name, Bachchan,
Yeah.
it makes us really want, oh my God. So you get a lot of, people ask you, oh, are you from the family or something like that?
It's so common
Yeah.
that when people look at my name, they'll be like, Bachchan, are you Amitabh Bachchan's family? So I said no, but it worked for me once. I was flying from London
Okay,
to Delhi,
okay.
and the guy just looked at my boarding pass and he's like, Mr. Bachchan, come with me this way. And I went to first class.
Oh wow! Oh wow! That's so cool. So you're taking the first of your name being Bachchan, right?
Why not? And I named
Why not?
my grandfather named me Vinod after Vinod Rathod. So
Okay. Okay.
another popular. And then my
Another
mother
one.
named me Kevin after Kevin Costner, who is also an actor.
Wow. Yeah, Kevin Costner is a very hot actor. You ask
So
the ladies about it. You ask the ladies about it, and we would know about Kevin Costner. So,
yeah,
Vinod, as I know, you're not from India, right?
yeah.
You're born and so tell me about your birth and where are you from? Because I know you more as a Odissi dancer and Guru Ranjana Gaurji's disciple and my Natraj dancer for the year 2019. Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me, I want to know more about you, and I'm sure the audience wants to know more about you. So tell me about your birth and where are you from and how's your country like?
Okay. So I am from a small island in the Caribbean called Trinidad and Tobago.
Okay.
Um, so on my father's side, they're Indians from UP in a small Basti district. For those who are from UP or know Basti district, and my mom is like in Trinidad, it's a term called Dogla. It's
Okay.
where local Indian and African mix with like European, and that is my mom, and she's from Barbados. So
Okay.
I have a little mix when it comes to my ethnicity. Of course, I look pure UPite.
Yeah, you look completely Indian. You look completely Indian, and that's something great. And
Yeah.
how did your journey? Did your journey for dance? Did you start with Odissi itself, or how did your journey of dance start? What was the beginning like?
So dance was like a big no-no for men, especially for
Yes.
me, because My family, my dad's family, they are Arya Samajists and very staunch. So Arya Samaj means, oh, you know, you need to recite the mantras of the Vedas and you must be able to. And I was in the process. I completed my Brahmachari Sanskar and I was just one step away from being a Pandit.
Okay.
And then dance was something that was always in my blood. The I grew up on Wahida Rahman and Vijanti Mala. You know, these were my inspirations because
Yeah.
dance was there in Trinidad, but nothing serious. And it was just like a sideline thing. But
Okay.
Bollywood was so strong that, you know, the impact of these ladies made in my country was so strong. But yeah, so the minute this Kuhu Kuhu Bol, you know, came on, it would just transport me. And when I see, you know, the dance, and it was so amazing. So dance was always there. It was inside me. And my mom learned Hindustani vocal for 12 years. And
Okay.
she enrolled me in class. And while I was there, I used to see dance classes happening, but men, like boys, were not allowed, or it
Not
was like
allowed.
frowned upon.
Yeah.
So when I was in high school, two of my childhood friends, they were learning Kuchipudi, and the teacher had studied in
In
Chennai.
your own country.
Yeah, yeah.
So Kuchipudi was happening over there.
We have Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathak, and Bharatnatyam, but
Okay.
boys doing it is unheard of,
Yeah.
really unheard of.
It is more of a stigma.
A huge stigma. So in my country, a guy who dances, like back then they would call him a hen, the female
Oh.
version of a chicken.
Okay.
So once, I always had a habit to dance, you know, music, whatever music comes on, I'll dance. And, my relatives used to call me this derogatory name. So I would hide and dance inside. And when I got the opportunity to learn Kuchipudi, I had to hide and
Oh.
say, I'm going for tuition. And that's how I learned Kuchipudi. And
But your parents knew or no? Your parents didn't know. So it was like,
not at all.
okay.
Initially, they didn't know. My mom found out eventually, but
Okay.
she was really cool because my mom, being an African woman by looks, she faced a lot of trouble learning Hindustani vocal, and
Right.
she was awarded a scholarship to study here in Delhi. And people protested for her not to do it because they said, "How can an African woman learn Hindustani music?"
Right.
So that so she was quite okay, but being a very patriarchal society at that time, and we live in a joint family, so my uncles and they couldn't digest the fact that the last son of the family is learning dance.
Dance.
So it was a hidden thing. I learned Kuchipudi, and I learned Kuchipudi for 7 years, but Odyssey was always inside. The beat of the Mardal, that does something to me. Like today, just before you played Jagannatha Swami Naina Patagami Bhavatume, my
Yes.
God, it was so, my pause is raising right now talking about it. So
Oh.
I learned Kuchipudi 7 years just to keep my self dancing because I really wanted to be involved in Indian art and culture.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how was your journey from your country to India? What got you here? So what was the pull or what was the magnet which got you here?
So there was a workshop. There's a Odissi dancer named Sangeeta Das. She lives in
Okay.
Pondicherry, and she
Okay.
came on an ICCR tour. And there was a workshop in the local Odissi theater in my country. And I attended the workshop and I attended her performance. And
Uh-huh.
for us, still dance was just a hobby. We had no clue it was you can make it a career. So I spoke to her, and she opened my eyes. This time I was in college already, and I was like, wow, I couldn't sleep for almost a week, and my mom thought I was going mad. And she
Oh.
asked me what was going on, and I told her, I was honest, and I told her, I said, Mom, this is what I have been doing. I've been learning dance. And by that time, she knew pretty well that I was learning, but she didn't know I was so serious. And
Okay.
I explained to her that this was my desire. And she said, but your father's family and your dad may not like it. but I will support you. And so funny, the local theater, she's a Bengali lady who lives in Delhi who married a Trinidadian Kathak dancer.
Okay.
And they've opened the they've opened the theater there in Trinidad. And her walls had broken down. She actually encouraged me to go to India, and she helped me with the necessary steps of applying for ICCR scholarship, which I never got for the first 4 years of application.
Oh.
And it was a big struggle, when Sangeeta Didi had left. I had no idea what should I continue my educational studies? Should I go to India? How will I go to India with no money? And um uh, I just told my mom everything, and she said, "You know what? I'll do it for you." And I didn't understand why. At that point in time, I didn't understand why she was saying this. But then, 2 days before I was supposed to leave for the workshop, there was a massive flood in my country, and our house had knee-height water. And we lost everything. And she still said, "No, you are going to do this workshop because it's something that you want."
On this note, I
And
would
then,
say salute to all the mothers, it is very important for a child that a mother should support. And I've always seen that um a mother always comes to the rescue of the child. And the child's dream is always the mother's dream.
correct.
And that I would, all my regards to your mom for supporting you and standing by you. And then tell me how it happened after the flood.
Yeah. So she told me to go, and she said, "No, you go, don't focus on what's happening. Your father and I will handle, and whatever else." And yeah, so I came back, and then, after some time, I realized, she didn't get the opportunity to live her dream of studying Indian classical music. So she
Right,
wanted me to fulfill mine.
right.
So that was her sacrifice, and
What's your
she
mother's name? Why don't you take her name over here?
so my mom's name is Jenny, her calling name is Jenny, and
Hi.
might be online right now watching.
Hi, Jenny ma'am. How are you? I a lot of love from India and a lot of regard to you and for sending your son and for sending him all over to India for all the sacrifices that you have done. Loads of love to you and regard to you. Namaskar. And don't worry, we will take care of him. He's a smart guy and we will take care of him.
Yeah, my mom is, everybody says this about their mom, the sweetest woman in the world, but she's so loving, You ask Vrinda, you ask Ranjana ma'am, you ask anybody, other dancers also. The minute they post something, she's the first to like it, she's the first to
Oh,
share it, she's the first to, give greetings. And she's very loving in that sense because, and, even after her marriage, she adopted Indian culture so much. She can chant in Arya Samaj, the Sandhya and Havan. She knows it back to front, so in
okay.
depth. She's really in tune with everything that I'm
Indian
doing.
culture,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah. Even me also, if she finds like she's watching me, if I post a video, she'll say, "No, no, something is missing. You're not doing your dance properly like you used to before." So she's very in tune, even sitting thousands of miles away.
By the way, yes.
So yeah, so she
Then
encouraged me, and
how did you meet Guru Ranjana Gohar?
so while I was in Orissa, um,
So
I'm
ICCR didn't
always,
send you, ICCR did not send you to Delhi, to her. You went to Orissa.
yeah, because I was self-funded.
Okay.
So the knowledge I got that time was, no, you have to go to Orissa to learn Odissi. You can't
Hmm.
Odissi elsewhere. So I went to Orissa. I mean, I learned my base, a lot of knowledge that I have developed in Orissa, and valuable knowledge I've gained there. But something was missing in learning, and that's something I just, searching for I was looking for a guru. I didn't want a teacher.
Hmm.
And
So when you say that, Kevin, I must ask you because I do believe in this. There's a
Yeah,
difference between a teacher and a guru.
yeah,
You just said that you were not looking for a teacher, you were looking for
yes,
a guru.
yeah.
So what do you mean by that? How is it so different? I know how is it different,
Yeah.
but I want to hear it from you.
So for me, like I'll give my experience because that's all I can
Definitely.
do.
Yes.
So with ma'am, you know, I do get emotional. Like now, I'm getting emotional. She rescued me in a way because I had a lot of uh, unknowingness of my reality, my worth, my value. I was quite depressed, and the first day I met her, she was very harsh with me, but in a good way.
All
She's like,
gurus
"Oh,
are, all gurus are. Let me tell you, all the gurus on the first day are very harsh. Yes.
she was like, no, no, this is not going to work. You're going to pull yourself up. You're going to work hard, and you're going to do." And
Lovely.
she, you can call her 24/7. She will answer. She will be there. It's beyond the class. She goes in depth. She's so in tune with us. Like many people, if when Vrinda and I have shows with live music, they always make this comment: "Your guru watches you both from beginning to end without blinking an eye."
Yes. Yes. That I have witnessed this myself. I've witnessed this myself.
Yes, she's so in tuned. She doesn't flutter, and she always wants the best. She will watch us. She's harsh, of course, as all gurus, but if she scolds you,
Ranjana ji, don't mind that. Even my girls say that I'm a Hitler. So please don't mind the harsh what he's saying. I don't love.
yeah, she's harsh. She'll say what she has to say, and 5 minutes after, she's back to normal. She's very loving. We ma'am and I have disagreements all the time, but it's because we are different times, different points of views. But she's so understanding, and she agrees to disagree. And there's one. She gives such good formulas for dance. Like when we are dancing, she always says, "Sing," because in case the mardal guy makes a mistake or the vocal guy makes a mistake, because you are singing, and it's their job to catch up to you. Your job is not
Yes,
to fiddle and try to fit them.
yes, yes,
That is one of the best mantras I have ever learned, to sing.
yes.
And I don't
When
have
did you
parents.
meet? When did you meet Ranjana ji?
In
Which year?
2013.
2030. It's been almost 7 years that you've been under her guidance.
Yeah, but it feels like eternity because we are so close.
Yes.
Sometimes we go places and people say, they mistake me for her son. They think that
That
I'm
happens.
Siddharth.
Yeah, it happens. It happens.
Yeah.
Actually, the Shishya becomes more like your child only. So,
Oh,
even in the Hindu mythology or Hindu scriptures, in fact, for the Guru, the Shishya, and her own children, they
yeah.
become one. On that
Yes.
note, Kevin, I would like to tell you there are a lot of people watching you on this show. There's Tanya from Moscow, there's Yashasvi, there's Srimoy Ganguly. Hi, Srimoy. Sulika Prasad says, Namaskar, Didi. Parul Satdev, Manat Mishra, Rekha Suman, uh, uh, Vinesh Velur Malur, Shraddha Singh. Hi, Shraddha. How are you doing? Hi, Rishi Sharma. Rishi Sharma is a wonderful contemporary dancer.
Yes.
He will
He's a
be
good
on
friend
the
of mine.
show. Yeah, he's a good friend of yours. That's
Yes.
lovely. So he will be on the show also on Friday, I think. Shinjini Sarkar, Amrita Mishra, Pooja Manna, and Ruchita Sagalodi, and Rakesh Sai Babu is going to be there tomorrow. He said, woo, Didi. Yeah.
Yay.
Priya, Rakesh, very beautiful. Wife Priya Srinivasan is also watching. Hi, Priya, darling, how are you? Priyali Bose, Archie Saxena, Tamanna Rashmi Bharyada, more than 30 or 40 people watching. Asha Vari Pawar ji says, Namaskar, Asha Vari ji, Kumudita Talwar, Namaste, Rakesh. Hi, Vinod Kevin Bachchan, you are a very nice human being. and he used to
Thank
write
you.
more. Yuhu Alaknanda Didi. So that's the camera joy I have with some of the dancers. Pavitra was there yesterday, so with even
Yes.
with him I have a lot of mercy, and so is Rakesh that I enjoy being with. A very nice fellow. And Bhavna Rawat, who is there in Finland. She
Right.
writes so excited for this. I had missed the previous two live sessions, but caught up with the help of your YouTube uploads. So
Right.
today she's live on the show, on your show, and from Finland, and that is very nice. And Srimoy Ganguly says, "Hello, Didi. Hey, Kevin."
Hi, Srimohi.
Uh, so Kevin, like with this, with the journey of dance,
Right.
um, the male dancers, I think somewhere the fraternity or the society is a little unjust. Somewhere, the male dancers are not getting their rightful opportunity. Do
Correct.
you agree or you disagree? And how do you think it is in the society right now?
This is so funny, Didi. Today, when you shared the invitation, and I
Yeah,
forwarded it and all, you won't believe a lot of male dancers messaged me to say, please talk about the injustice of male dancers.
yeah,
Because I have been kind of in the forefront, and also ma'am is also quite encouraging with this. Um, Now we have a vast number of men learning dance, huge
yes,
numbers.
yes.
Um, However, I can speak for Odissi. Other dancers also speak about it from other styles. But in Odissi, that stigma that a girl is the Odissi dancer face, the feminine body. That is something that it's really hard to break. It's not that we want to break and get rid of it. It's equality. We just like feminism. We also want equality in the dance world for men.
Yeah,
And
actually, Kevin, I must tell you that it is feminism somewhere is taken very wrongly.
yeah,
To
yeah,
be very honest, feminism doesn't mean to suppress the men.
correct.
It is not because there has to be a balance of nature, and nature is a balance of like Ardhanarishwar. It is half man and half woman. They
Yes,
cannot be separated. So there cannot
correct.
be a disbalance of the man and the woman. So
Absolutely.
feminism is not about cutting the man. It is about
Yes,
balancing yourself.
yes. And yes, Odyssey is very last year in its base.
Mhm.
But in when it comes to the physical body, both men and women have the elements of male and female, masculine and feminine
Absolutely,
energy.
absolutely,
So
absolutely.
even if my style of dance is a laughter oriented dance, doesn't mean that just because I'm a graceful guy doesn't take away from the fact that I'm a male who is a graceful
Right.
dancer.
Yeah.
That has no take away from the style. And if you look at our senior gurus, the founding
Yeah.
fathers, our legacy Guru
Good.
Mayadar Rao Ji, who is the
Huh.
last surviving of them, who is the
Right.
living legend right now, and
Right.
Keluchan Mahapatra Ji and
Yes.
Deva Prasad Das and all, Pankaj sir. When you look at their videos of dance and all, even though they have their male body, but when they come on stage, it's so transporting. There's a video of our Guruji Mayadhar Ji doing Pashati Dishi Dishi. If you see it it's on YouTube. It's from Doordarshan recording.
You must
My
send me the
God,
link.
it's
You must send me
so
the link.
mind blowing.
Yeah.
But I believe as a dancer, dancers are actors also, and it's our
Yes.
job to take to take on the character that is given to us at the moment.
Huh.
If I have to play Radha, then I have to be Radha, whether I'm a male or a female.
Never. Yeah, yeah. Agreed. Agreed. Agreed.
Yeah. So this
Because even
misconception,
when the woman is doing the Krishna
yeah,
or the Ram or even the Ravana,
yes,
so we have to take on that Veer Ras or the Rodra Ras. So it doesn't take away the feminism from us. We are
no,
playing a character. So as an
Exactly.
artist, you are not a man or a woman at that time. You are that character. You know.
Exactly. Exactly. I agree. And the thing also is that because I guess because at that time where there was a shift in Odyssey where the gurus had stopped performing and the disciples were performing, and
Yeah.
most of the disciples were women. So that
Yeah.
mindset has been made. Even though
Right.
now there's a lot of progress with when you see male Odissi dances, but still we have that ceiling. Just like
Hmm.
women in the workforce have that ceiling where they can't rise to management roles. It's the same. Men are facing to rise to that stage where it comes to performing, and like I made made in the post earlier on. You are one of the persons who are giving the platform to men for performing, and it's really an amazing opportunity for us to
Thank you.
perform.
Thank you.
And it's rare you see festivals with all males performing, but it will take time, and the only way it will take time is when we have unity.
Do you think there's unity in our fraternity? That's my next question. Do you really
Not at
feel there's unity in our fraternity? So what do you think? So what do you think, Kevin? Like you are seeing the fraternity coming from another country,
Yeah.
taking the struggles and the hardships, learning out here, and then what you see? What did you expect, and what expectations were broken away?
Right. So when you start, any shishya who starts dance will always learn that dance is a spiritual form.
Yes.
It takes you from from the physical to the metaphysical realm, and dance transports you, and all these fancy terms, and you know you fancy package. Let's leave it like that, right?
Okay.
And I mean, dance is a liberating, once you tap in to the source and you dance, it's a liberating experience. But to get there, there's so much hurdles and mudslinging, and
Uh huh.
there's a term in Trinidad we call crabs in a barrel.
Okay.
So you try to climb, and then another crab will pull you down, and you keep climbing, and then somebody else will pull you down. Crabs in a
I
barrel.
agree. I
But
get. I agree.
there's so much in the art, like from my experience in the 10 years that I'm living here, there is so much opportunity, there's so much chances, there's so much funding, there's so much of everything. But we let the material things get into the spirituality of dance.
Actually, I believe that the artist is very insecure,
Correct. Correct.
and that is
True.
the reason that that crab pulling down another. You
Correct.
know, so that whole situation is due to insecurity that
Yes.
an artist has.
Yeah.
So, but I believe there's enough space for everybody.
Absolutely. You're
You're
absolutely
good.
correct. Yes.
There's enough space for everybody. And something is called destiny. Nobody can
Exactly.
take away my destiny. Nobody can take away
Right.
your destiny. So it's our job to just work hard and not
Correct.
cut the throat of another person or of another
Right.
artist.
And when you work hard, honestly, the universe opens its way for you. Even if you have other hurdles in your life, the universe opens its way for you to, when I left Orissa, everybody said, you left Orissa, you will not become anything.
Uh-huh.
You'll be a zero. And look where I am. And I would have never thought I would have become here. Of course, it's through my guru's blessings and her
Yeah.
guidance, and she's like
Uh,
a real backbone for us at Utsav.
uh-huh.
Uh, but also it's my faith in and my ability and my working hard combined with that as well has taken me forward, because if I believe what people think of me, then I should stop dancing. Because even if you're
Actually,
the
you should
great,
not think what people talk. You should not. That is the only
exactly,
mantra. That's the only mantra. Because if you
yeah,
start listening to people, Kevin,
Yes.
we will commit a suicide. So the best
Correct.
part is put the cotton in your ears.
Exactly.
And I will not use that word, but I love the fish. I love the fish. I love fish. So, and I'm a Bong, I'm a Bengali, so I
Yes,
also
yes.
love the fish. So,
Yeah, I'm from a Caribbean island, so fish is something very
very tasty.
prominent. Yes.
Yes, we both love fish.
Yeah.
But when you're here on the platform, I am going to be a little selfish because I would ask you to done something.
Okay.
Now, I'm not going to leave this opportunity, and I would give this opportunity for the audience also
Okay.
to. We are not doing like the online challenges, but when Kevin Bachchan is here on the platform and we don't dance, asking to dance, that would be a very incomplete live session. So, what do
Right.
you perform for us today?
Okay. So in Odyssey, guys are straying away from doing Nayaka. I don't know if Nayakas for what reason. So I've taken it upon myself to do female roles as part of my repertoire. And ma'am was like, of course, you should. So I'm going to do Khandita Nayaka, and it's a choreography of Guru Mayadhar Rao, Yahi Madhav, Yahi Keshav. So I'm just doing a small
Oh,
portion from where
sure, sure,
she
sure.
listening to his flute. So I'm just doing that little portion. Let me just give me one quick second,
Sure,
and
sure,
let me.
sure. By that time, let me tell you, you can, by the time you're getting ready, I can tell you who all are watching you at the show right now. And let me see, let me see who all are there on the show right now. And I have seen few of our friends still there who are watching us. And Shraddha Singh says, beautifully explained, art has nothing to do with gender. Absolutely, Shraddha. I do not believe in gender in art and also in friendship. So Srimar Ganguly said completely second on that. Anjali Munjal said enough space for everybody. Well said, Didi. There are people like you. Swagata Pillai says, unfortunately, the ripple effect touch even those who have no insecurity and sensitive artists do feel the pinch. We have all seen it happen to people around us. Samya Shukla says, Khalil says, people will especially start talking when they see you moving up and succeeding. Khalil, give them a fish. If you hear them talking, give them a fish. They will love it. Samya Shukla is watching and Anjali Manjal watching and Srimati will say, wow, wow, we'll be seeing Kevin after a long time. Go Vinod, Kevin, Bachchan, Rashmi Khanna is there. And Swagata Pillai again says she's a very good friend of mine and she does Bharatanatyam also trained in Kathak. She says, but the stage doesn't lie and no matter who says what, when you're up there, you and your art can't help but come out in the forefront and the discerning audience will know. So we have a lot of support from a lot of people, and that is lovely. And Sumida Mongia says, hello from Canada. I love what you are doing. Hello, Sumida. Take a nice kiss from here, from India. And Tanika says, Didi, Mate Jhol, I like fish. Tanika! That's a rather for you. Khalil again says, Amin to the Didi of fish in the face. Yes, Khalil, that's the attitude you have to keep up and live up and keep doing your dance and carry on with your art. There's no other way in this life. So, Kevin, on to your performance. Let's see you rocking.
Okay.
Janita Kasayitam Alasarive Vahati Nagaram Manura Sputa Mudita Rasa Hinivesham Sarasri Yatava Harati Vishwaram Hari Hari Bhavara Chaitavadam Yahi Madhava Yahi Keshava Bhavara Chaitavadam Yahi Madhava Yahi Keshava Bhavara
Oh, I'm greedy. I'm greedy. I'm so
I don't
greedy.
cry too much.
Oh, that's so
This piece,
touching.
it's such a powerful piece. You know, you have to transition from sadness to jealousy to hurt to
Yeah,
pain.
yeah.
It's this creation of Guruji is just simply outstanding. And you know, ma'am has been on a mission to make sure his work is getting its prominence, and she's been really at the forefront.
I can
So it's a
understand. I
blessing to
can.
learn
Yes, yes. In fact, I wanted to
Guruji's
say
work.
that I could see a little bit of your Guru's reflection, you know. So her
Yeah.
abhinay is
You remember
very powerful.
when I told you about the scolding?
Yeah.
So this is how so when I was doing Nayaka Ke Manobhav, at first people were like, Nayaka Ke Manobhav? Why are you doing such a topic? So I was quite hesitant, and you know, ma'am said, no, do it, because Nayakas is something that is the epitome of Odissi, because Geet Govind
Yes.
is all based on Nayaka, and that's Odissi.
Mm-hmm.
So my problem when I was learning this item, I was not letting go. So this is where the scolding came. You know, this is how her scoldings are so beneficial. It's like, you know, it's like a wake up call. You know, so
Yes, I understand.
yeah. So and she allowed me to break free. You know, because sometimes we are scared of showing emotions because we don't want to seem weak.
Yeah,
As
because
men, you
it
should
is
not.
as the society has made the tagline that the men cannot cry. But I do not believe in those taglines because
Yeah.
I believe we are all human, so there's no gender about crying. And I think crying is something gives you a lot of power. You know,
Yes.
it gives you a lot of power, and it washes away a lot of sadness or negativity. So
Correct.
it is very nice. It is a very lovely feeling when you're able to emote in that manner.
Yeah.
And yes, some people are again here to say, okay, hi, Nidhi Rajvanshi, thank you so much. Priya Srinivasan says, hi, bestie, so lovely to hear you, Kevin.
Hi,
And
Priya.
Swagata Pillai says, I love Kevin. He knows that. And wow, she really likes the Yahi Mother. We have Pierre Croix from France. Hi, Pierre Croix. Bonjour. I hope you're doing well in France and Paris. And thank you again for the lovely video that you sent for the work done by Ini Singh and on the poetry of Shraddha Singh. And we have Kashmira Trivedi ji. Hi, how are you from Mumbai? And we have Supriya Dev who are watching us on the show. Kevin, coming again to the fraternity, because it's not a sugar coated
Yeah.
session. We are over here
Yeah, of course.
because there are a lot of things going on which are very sugar coated and hypocrisy. I do
Correct.
not believe in hypocrisy because if we want to make a change, we have to be the change and we have to speak.
Yes.
So what do you
Correct.
think? Is there a nepotism in our fraternity? Nepotism?
Before I answer that question,
Yeah. You want to
um,
catch your ears and say
no,
sorry
no,
to some people?
no, not at all. About Swagata Akka. Swagata Akka has been so supportive. You know, she was one of the first persons to give me a solo in Delhi.
Oh, wow.
And we've always had a good relationship. And she's one of the most loving persons I've ever met.
Yes.
Ever met.
She's a very dear friend of mine.
Yes.
So
That I know. I can
yeah.
see your interactions, and she's very loving. You know, no matter you don't meet her for months at an end, but
you start at the same point. Yeah. She's seen me in
yeah.
pigtails. You know, she's seen me in pigtails. She's seen me in school skirt. And today, like the way she loves me and supports me,
Yeah.
we are like, I'm pushing her and she's pushing me. So I'm like, you got to do it, Swagata. You got to do it, Swagata. she's elder to me, but we are friends of art and of passion and love and care. So that's lovely.
Brilliant.
And she's a very supportive and encouraging person to other artists, which is very much needed. Very much needed.
Absolutely.
So
absolutely.
We come back to our nepotism. So
right.
What do you feel? Is there nepotism in our fraternity of artists?
Yeah, it's there. You can see it. It's so open that, you know, it's not hidden. It's like it's there, so what? You know, that's how I feel sometimes.
Right.
And you know, people, you know, I come from a guru who had nobody. She's not of dancing family, not of a fraternity of, you know, musicians, and she was nobody. Look at her background. She comes from nowhere, and to make something fighting this, you know, at her time it was probably even worse than what it is now. But it is there, and it's very evident. And when you see festivals being organized with that as the title, dance in the family, I mean, it's like a blow. What about dance not in the family? There are so many good dancers who have come and are in the limelight who don't belong to the family.
Certain called legacy.
Exactly. And they're doing work, they're doing so, they know their work is so strong, they're so dedicated to their art. they should be given the
Do you think
due.
we can break this curse of nepotism in our fraternity? Do you think we can do that?
I feel in the young lot, like uh, my batch and the batch below us, we are trying, honestly, Dee, we are trying our best to, like, you remember before we were talking about the disharmony in the fraternity.
Absolutely,
In our
absolutely.
generation, we are trying to bridge the gap together.
Right,
And we are trying to, get this thing out and level the playing field, and we all be close to each other. And like we host a festival, Unbound Beats of India, for young dancers.
yes,
And
yes,
ma'am has
I
given
know.
the responsibility to me and Vrinda. She said,
Okay.
we'll host it under Utsav's banner, but you people do the organizing, and she just oversees everything to make sure it's smooth. And it was so surprising. The first year we restarted it because there was a break. It was quite tough for us. And the following year, which was last year, the
Mhm,
same artists who performed, they
mhm.
came and they were helping us.
Right, right.
So that is the thing that we are trying to, create. Like
Create that
it's the same
harmony, the
thing.
unity.
Yes. And when they have a program, we go and we try to assist them in whatever little way we can. That is the only way change will come. Of course, there will be one or two bad apples in the basket, but
Right.
we shouldn't throw away the entire basket. We should throw away the bad apple.
Absolutely, absolutely. I agree on that. You know, it is
Yeah,
very important to clean up the society on our own.
yeah,
Okay, now with the whole thing of the lockdown, okay, and the quarantine days that
yeah,
we are in right now because of the pandemic,
right.
uh, how much has it affected you? There's a lot of hue and cry about your artists are in bad waters, artists can't do anything, kindly help us and everything. I believe you need to help yourself first, you know. So it's no use just crying because all of us are in the same situation. It's
Yes,
just not the
correct.
artists. In the corporate also, people are losing job. If you see the migrant laborers, they have a tough time. So why
Yeah.
I don't understand why are the artists making such a hue and cry about it. So what effect has it been on you, and how have you dealt with it?
Initially, the lockdown, actually, to be honest, I'm not, I have not felt any negative emotions on myself, meaning that, oh my God, what will I do? What will happen? What is this? What am I supposed to do? No dance, no shows. And I'm like, so, and a lot of people were messaging me, my friends who are artists and all what. And they said, listen, you guys are young, you guys still have your parents who have a source of income. If you look at what's happening around the world,
Mm,
look at your own country, look at Delhi, how many people are walking thousands of miles to reach home with no
absolutely,
food, no water, no basic necessities, then your cry seems as absolutely nothing.
absolutely, absolutely, absolutely.
And we are fortunate. Okay, we wrote, we made an outcry that artists need support, and it has some benefits because folk artists in the zonal centers are giving them funding and helping them with their needs. And
Absolutely.
I want to give a big kudos to Bhavni Mishra. She was one of the first persons who I saw didn't ask a question. She said, hey, artists are suffering in Delhi. I'm going to do something about it. And guess what she did?
What?
She didn't cry. She didn't fuss and say, we are like this and we are suffering. She said, no, I'm just going to help those who are in need. If you need help, you reach out to me. And we did, and she did. And it was so,
You know, it is not needed to be told what to do. I have
yes,
also sent medical facility or money to
yeah,
people, stranger artists, just paying them in their bank account because I'm
yeah,
telling you this today. I
yeah,
think nobody ever knew because I don't need to have to tell anybody what
of
I'm
course.
doing because helping somebody out doesn't need advertisements, you know.
Absolutely.
There's no use crying and no use also claiming that I have done so much
Right.
because as a human it is your responsibility to do.
Correct.
and make no hue and cry about it.
Correct.
So, and I feel all the artists who are well placed, whether it's Shobna Narayan ji, whether you say Bhavani, I know Sangeeta Das Banerjee, I know Sandeep Mahavir, you know,
Yes.
and even on my case, we have done our bit.
Yeah.
And even you have done, I have seen that, even you have done, but we have never made a advertisement of it,
Of course.
and that is not needed.
Yeah.
Right. So that's lovely that, and I'm very happy to hear that, Kevin, because there's a lot going on in the social media. Oh,
Yeah.
don't become an artist. Artist life is a curse. I will not tell the news. Excuse me.
I'll share one thing, just
Yes.
as you made this point. So there's a
Yes.
photo circulating of
Right.
a dancer. One side of it's a position from the feet. One side is the dancer in costume, and another side is the dancer's feet tied to a chain. And they're saying this is the life of an artist, and I'm like, no, it's not.
It is not.
You
Actually,
still-
also this live
Yeah.
session has been the reason, and I
Yes.
picked up the male dancers who we feel are not getting enough as they should get. Secondly, I know all of you are very positive people
Yeah.
who are giving out positive messages and also helping behind and not letting anybody know about it.
Correct. Yeah.
So I think the artists are to break the chains and not to be in the chains.
Yeah.
And on that, again, I would say you are a lovely artist, Kevin. And it is Swagata says Sonalji is helping a lot of folk artists. Namaskar, Vijay Shankar Mishra ji, Pranam, Dada, kaise aap? Anupama, hi sweetie, how beautiful, how are you? Payal Sinadi, kaise aap? Srimad Ganguly says support from fellow artists, be it seniors or juniors, is what we need at the most in this field. Yes, Srimoy, things are happening, only we don't have to speak loud about it. We just need to do our karmas. That is important. Namaskar,
absolutely.
Bharti Singh ji. Lovely to see you on this forum. Vibha ji, namaskar. Good to see Vibha ji Singh. Good to see Kevin. T. Reddy Lakshmi. Hi, beautiful. How are you doing? And Dal Jayesh Kumarji is watching also. And Swagata says, some things just being there is the biggest support. Yes, Swagata. And Khalil says, some dancers aren't getting enough exposure they deserve because of nepotism. Yes, Khalil, we believe in that. And that's why I have come to open this show and come out live. Earlier also, I had another show with my girlfriends like Vidha Lal and Sangeeta Das Banerjee, Shinjini, and Gauri Divakar, where Alka ji, Shobna Narayan ji, where we spoke about these topics, because every time we keep our mouth shut, we are putting the things below a blanket, I believe, or we are trying to close our eyes to the flaws of our society. We need to, if we need a cleaner society, a cleaner fraternity, we need to voice it out. We need to talk it out. Kevin, so are you ready for some rapid fire? Yes. So Kevin, what has been your fan moment? Okay, no. I want to know this. I don't know this. Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
That's bad. A handsome man not having a girlfriend. You have such hot pictures on your DP and on your Facebook. How come you don't have a girlfriend?
I'm waiting for the special one.
You're waiting for the special one.
It's in the works.
Huh? It is? It is?
It's in the works.
It's in the works. Okay.
Yeah.
I would be waiting for that secret.
Definitely.
Thank you. What has been your fan moment, favorite fan moment?
As in me seeing a celebrity or somebody?
No, somebody seeing you. Your moment when your fan has complimented you or has rushed to you or has done something special or some special appreciation. You must have got, Kevin. I can't believe that.
Okay, I had a fan moment. I had a performance in, oh God, I forgot the name of the city now. It was in Assam. And one girl, not girl, I should say, she's a young lady. And she's also a dancer, very good dancer. And she came and she cried and she was like, oh, so nice. And I'm like, why are you crying? She said, no, because I've never seen, this style of Odyssey before. So I was like, okay, something strange is happening here because I've never had somebody crying after my show. And she wanted autograph and she clicked selfies. Then her mother came and her grandmother came and her father came. Then at the back, oh, now I remember it was in Tezpur.
Okay.
Then at the back of the program now, I went for a drink of water and Bhupin Hazarika's brother came and met me. And
Wow.
he was like, all over, he was like, no, I have to take a photo. It was so fabulous seeing you
So
perform.
sweet.
So I was like,
So
wow,
sweet.
Bhupin Hazarika's brother is
That means
acknowledged.
something. That means something.
Yeah, it meant
And
something.
has a woman ever proposed to you? The world is changing.
I have lots of proposes from men.
From
I'm being
men.
honest, yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
And
It's
women
okay.
also. I
Yeah,
mean,
it's
girls
okay.
do propose me, but a vast
Eh,
number of proposals come from men as well.
Oh, it's okay because love doesn't see any gender
No,
again and
not
doesn't
at
see any
all.
boundary. So I'm absolutely okay with it. I always say that I love women. I love women, that kind of
Love
a thing.
is beyond definition.
Yes, yes. It doesn't have to be gender biased or age biased.
Exactly.
So it's absolutely okay. What is your favorite poison? What? Don't tell me you don't drink or don't tell
Oh,
me that.
please.
Right? Oh, you have. So what's your
Wine.
favorite wine? Which
I love a
wine?
red. I love a Cabernet Sauvignon,
Oh wow, I like
and
that.
of course, Old Monk.
Ah, Old Monk is many people's favorite. So
Yeah, yeah.
New Year party should always have an Old Monk, right?
Most definitely.
And what is your favorite cuisine?
You give me pizza, any shape, any size, any form, hot, cold.
You can
Sunday to
have it.
Sunday, I'll have
You can
pizza.
have it. Well, which has been your favorite destination so far, or where do you want to go which you haven't been yet? So, what's your favorite destination?
My favorite place to be in India,
Yeah.
surprisingly, is Assam.
Oh,
I
yes.
just love Assam. And in last year, maybe 40% of my shows were in Assam.
Wow. Wow.
I don't know, coincidence,
Northeast is very beautiful.
absolutely amazing.
It's unexplored and it is
Yeah,
very beautiful. So yet it is still beautiful because tourists haven't messed with
yeah,
it.
yeah.
There's less of tourism, so that's why the mess is less. So Assam and internationally,
Fiji, and because I promised my Guruji that I'll take her in a abroad trip because she loves nature just as much as me. We vacation
oh,
together, by the way. Me and ma'am,
lovely,
every summer we take a vacation, a break.
very nice, very nice.
But I
Lucky
have
you,
class
man.
also.
Lucky you, man. I must say, I'll talk to Ranjana ji. This is not done. I also want to come along. On this, we have a few more people saying, T. Reddy Lakshmi said, it's a very interesting discussion. Could not miss it. Yes, T. Reddy Lakshmi, lovely to have you here today. And thanks to Kevin for that. And tomorrow you should be there also. So we have it till Sunday. So tomorrow will be Rakesh Sai Babu, so you will enjoy that conversation also. Anjali Munjal says, I want to tell people here that Aladdi is helping so many dancers emotionally, creatively, and in some cases financially.
Absolutely
I remember she
true.
keeps calling all of us young dancers, how are you doing? I hope you're doing. Anjali Munjal, मेरा बच्चा है तू यार
I agree.
मेरे बच्चे से मैं कैसे ना पूछूं. So it's very important to have your human side alive, and I love my girls, young girls. So Anjali, I love you. And Swagata says, anyone who knows her the size of her heart. Swagata, I love you too. And we talked till midnight, we crossed midnight talking, Swagata and me. And Sharmila Sharma is watching. Pranam Didi, you are so sweet. And Swagata says, again, such a baby you are at heart, Kevin. You get a lot of love from Swagata. And Aprajita Sharma, not Sharma, Sarma. Hi, I see your performance every morning. I see you online. It's nice to see you. You look so good. And Anjali Munjal says, I love you too. And you know that. Yes, I know that, darling. I love you so much. And I hope this video can be seen after this session also. Yes, this video will be there on my Facebook, and by tomorrow it will be there on the YouTube also. So
Right.
this whole, you can watch the whole program on the YouTube. You can go onto my YouTube channel, Alaknanda Kathak, and you can watch it there. It's for keeps till I die. Although I say I'm 18 till I die. And Kevin,
Ageless.
what is your dream that you still have to achieve? And what is your
Okay.
dream for life?
My dream yet to achieve and my dream for life. I mean, of course, I'm living my dream being a dancer, and that's one of the major things. But my dream is that I want to have a space where people can come, they can get a nice hot meal, they can take a shower, they can get fresh clothes. If they need to take a rest, if they need someone to talk to, this is what is missing. I feel this is missing so much.
Yes,
Like
I
many people
agree.
keep messaging, why you're not putting up dance videos, why you're not doing this, why you're not doing that. Let me answer, okay, to you people. I don't post dance videos and all so much because I have volunteered, and every 3 days for the week I'm sharing food to the dogs, and the other 3 days I'm sharing food to the homeless people. So a lot of my time is taken there, plus I have classes with Nan and all, but I have chosen to spend my time there. So this is what I'm doing. That's why you're not getting any videos and all, but this is my dream because we grew up not having a lot of things, and my father always made sure that we were humble people even when we started acquiring wealth. So this is my dream. That's my future.
That is beautiful, Kevin. And I must tell you that we need more people like you to be there to, it is very nice to have great artists, but it is much better to have greater human beings.
Exactly.
They're very good artists, but they're not so good human beings. So we really need more of nice human being in this world to make a better world. But
Agreed.
yet we need you because you are a lovely artist. It has been a great time that you could come over and you could speak and you could show your performance. We have seen you on stage. You are awesome on stage, but also sharing that little inner side of you
Yeah.
over here. It means a lot to us. And thank you so much, darling, for being here. And that Bachchan name suits you. And the Vinod also suits you because we had this lovely Vinod Khanna
And the
also.
Kevin.
And the Kevin Costner also suits you. So that is lovely. Be happy, stay blessed, and don't change in life. And tomorrow again at 8 p.m., we'll have another male dancer with us, and that is from the Chow Rakesh Sai Babu. Let's talk to him. Let the men speak. And that's very important. Bye, Vinod, Kevin, Bachchan.
Thank
It
you
was
so much,
lovely.
Didi. So much fun.
So much fun. Good night and stay happy always. Keep smiling.
Same
Keep
to
that smiling.
you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.